Have you ever noticed small disturbed areas in the dirt along a trail or in your yard? Did you ever wonder who made them? It might have been a cottontail rabbit taking a dirt bath. Many animals roll in the dirt to keep their fur clean and free of parasites. While rolling around in the dirt might not sound like a great way to stay clean, the dust absorbs excess oils and moisture on their fur, which helps prevent it from becoming matted. It's like humans using dry shampoo to refresh and add volume to their hair between washes. Sometimes multiple rabbits will use the same spot. When it's hot out, the dirt can help regulate the rabbit's body temperature. It acts as insulation, providing a cooling effect in hot weather by absorbing excess heat from their bodies. If you've ever used talcum powder to absorb excess moisture and keep your skin dry and fresh, you know how wonderful it can be. Sometimes a rabbit will roll in the dirt to mask their own scent. This can help them avoid being detected by predators or other animals that may be a threat to them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a comment and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.